So I just want to make sure that I have enough room. Just a little bit. So keep an eye on this piece. So I'm going to move it closer to the water heater, just so we can use this space for the hot water. And I can use one of these, create similar, and go here. It's right at the same level, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the properties. It is cold water, but I'm going to make it hot water. I'm going to leave it like that, and it should be, I think that I want this to be 3/4 inch, so I can come up to my diameter and change to 3/4 inch. Water, and go around. Let's go this way, and just kind of go into this area, hot water. And what I'm gonna do just for here, I think that I'm gonna go out and then come here, water over. Let's see, can the cold water, I think the cold water is gonna be a little higher. Let's go here, we're going down, and the cold water actually can stay in the roof because it's at 11.9, and I can come off, it goes down here. So let me bring this pipe over, okay? So what you have to keep your eye on is your limitations here, okay? So if you're moving this pipe, just be aware of how much space you have, okay? So that in both cases for this pipe, I think the first one we were doing was this piece. That was our limit, and this piece is our limit, okay? Because I want to stay in the ceiling space for my cold water, and just stay in the ceiling. So that's what I have today, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.